WLD has fallen almost 98% from its all-time high, turning one of crypto's most visible AI-linked identity tokens into a test case for how badly supply pressure can weigh on a high-profile project. CoinGecko data places WLD's all-time high at $11.74, and the token is now trading near 24 cents, leaving it roughly 97.9% below that peak. The scale of the drawdown makes the token look cheap on a headline chart, but the current setup is more complicated than a simple down big, buy low trade. WLD still carries a large supply overhang, and the market has spent months trying to absorb daily unlocks from community, team, and investor allocations. A lower token price can attract dip buyers, but it can also reflect a market that has not yet found enough demand to absorb new circulating supply. The strongest verified supply update came from World's April tokenomics milestone. World said the WLD unlock rate will fall 43% on July 24, dropping total daily unlocks from about 5.1 million WLD to 2.9 million WLD. The same update said 4.9 billion WLD, or 49% of the 10 billion total supply, was already unlocked as of April 10, with 3.3 billion WLD in active circulation. Team and investor. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Unlocks remain part of the debate. The latest public data does not support a clean claim that team and investor tokens are already almost completely sold. World's own update says TFH investor and team unlocks are still scheduled to continue, falling from about 1.9 million WLD per day to 1.3 million WLD per day after July 24. That still matters for traders because even a slower unlock rate can keep pressure on price if spot demand remains weak. WLD's earlier tokenomics changes were designed to reduce pressure from sudden supply expansion. World extended lockups for early contributors in 2024. The market's response has been mixed, with price remaining under pressure despite these adjustments. The key question is whether the market can absorb the ongoing supply expansion without a significant price correction. If the market fails to absorb the supply, the price could continue to decline, even as the unlock rate slows. If the market does absorb the supply, the price could stabilize or even rise, but that depends on broader market conditions and investor sentiment. The current price is not just a result of past events, but a reflection of ongoing supply dynamics. The April update was intended to provide clarity and reduce uncertainty, but it has not yet led to a clear market signal. The unlock rate is still high enough to keep pressure on the token, and the market remains cautious. The next signal to watch is the July 24 unlock rate change. If the market absorbs the reduced unlock rate without a significant price movement, it could be a sign that the token is stabilizing. If the price continues to decline despite the reduced unlock rate, it could be a sign that the market is still struggling to absorb the supply. The broader market environment will also play a role in how the token. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Performs. If crypto markets experience a general uptrend, WLD could benefit from increased buying interest. If the market remains bearish, the token could continue to struggle. The token's future will depend on a combination of supply dynamics and market sentiment. The current setup suggests that WLD is not yet at a bottom, and investors should remain cautious. The token's price is still heavily influenced by supply pressure, and the market has not yet found a clear path forward. The July 24 unlock rate change is a key event to watch, and the market's response could provide valuable insight into the token's future direction.